If you use Free for Teachers, I'm so glad you're watching this today. I just logged in. I've been trying to log in, and they've finally given us access, actually starting yesterday, and of course I didn't log in. So you've got until the end of the day today, Eastern Time, to get into your materials, and you'll notice I've got a lot of materials in here. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna log in, you're gonna open each of your courses that you've got. So I'm clicking on this one, and then go into settings. And then once you've got settings open, you can export course content. So I'm going to click on export course content, and I want to export the entire course, and then I'm going to create an export. Now it says that the content has been exported, but it hasn't been downloaded. So there's one more really important step, and that's to click on this new export link up above, and that will download it onto your computer. I'm going to do this for all of the courses that I've got in there because the message says that this is going to go away and they'll have a new product starting in fall. So I hope that you get this. When you've got it exported, it's going to live in your files. Mine will live in my downloads. Then you'll be able to go to import course content once you've got access to a new Canvas platform. Okay, good luck everybody.